From legendary singers to respected OPM icons, many artists are now expressing their admiration for SB19 and the incredible impact they have made on Filipino music. Industry veterans praise the group's talent, discipline, creativity, and dedication to representing the Philippines on the global stage, with some even saying they look forward to collaborating with SB19 in the future. As the group continues to break barriers and inspire a new generation of fans and artists, many believe SB19 is helping shape the future of OPM while proudly carrying the Filipino flag through music.
I just wanted to say congratulations kasi sobra kaming mga OPM artists yung medyo matagal-tagal na sa industriya. We are so proud of you. Kasi alam nyo, mahirap talagang ilabas ang musika natin sa Pilipinas papuntang buong mundo. Kasi ganun talaga yon. But I think right now people are ready for it. And we are so happy that you guys are doing it. So keep doing it, right? I also want to say to each and every one of you, thank you. Thank you for supporting our P-pop, our very own P-pop. Kasi, I just have to say, kayang-kaya nila. Woo! Ano ba? Kayang-kaya, more than kaya, diba? So maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo and continue to support P-pop music!
Sobrang saya. Dami ko natutunan sa SB19 in terms of kung ano yung mundo nila pagdating sa live performances. So yun, after nun, sobra kami nabaliw. Sabi nila, and syempre, meron ding mga request din na if we could do a new song together. Nag-start na kami mag-brainstorm. Very pleasant yung experience ko working with them. Siguro dahil sa sila ay sobrang mga fresh ang kanilang mga ideas and more than ako ay nakaka-inspire sa kanila, nakakatulong sa kanila to write the song, ako ay natutulungan nila lalo din sa mga parts ko na sinusulat din sa kanila.
Meet ko din naman ng SB19 sa isang event and napakababait ng mga yun. Una-una, kasi kumakanta sila dun sa holding area namin eh. Sabi ko, ang gagaling, grabe. I think, dun mo rin naman makikita na hindi mo pwedeng pulaan ng isang tao na nag-prepare hanggang sa makakita siya ng opportunity para gamitin yung preparation na yun. Lalo ko na-appreciate ang isang artist na alam kong pwedeng magyabang pero hindi nagyayabang.
You know, I also read somewhere na you appreciate the fact that they write their music.
Exactly. Because nothing against just singers or performers na hindi kasama sa creative side, meaning they just perform. Nothing against them, I respect them. Pero natuwa lang ako because I've been following yung mga K-pop groups na manufactured talaga, meaning there's a team behind them and they just presented with songs and just perform. Tapos nung nag-usap kami, na-realize ko, sila pala mismo yung creative side when it comes to my team sila for choreography, but they write their own lyrics and everything. Kumbaga, they have artistic input to what they're doing. Pinapanood ko yung mga music videos nila and yung songs, I could never come up with something as brilliant as what they're ginagawa nilang songs eh. So, galing nito. Tapos kala ko may siguro kumukuha sila ng international songwriter na sobrang galing. And then I found, nalaman ko sila lang. So, mas nakakainis, diba? Nakakainis naman.
Kaya yun yung in-educate ko din yung mga tao. Although, not naman educate, I don't want to sound smart, no? Pero I'm making people realize also na those hating na about SB19, gaya lang naman sa Koreans yan eh, parang ganun sa K-pop yan eh. Tayo ko, paroke din naman, ginaya ko lang din ng E-heads, kaya kami doon simula eh. Tapos yung E-heads, nakinig lang din ng Beatles yan, they're always influenced by someone else. Yes. Start dressing pa. So, just like K-pop, ganun lang din. Pero the question is, tatagal ba yung SB19 yan if they just keep on copying that? No, the reason why pumalo sila because they started writing songs and came up with things to help them stand out. Tapos biglang yung mga kanta nila, Pinoy na Pinoy, may Pinoy elements, tapos pero world class. I'm just blown away. So, in-educate ko din sila na there's no reason to hate someone being influenced by someone else kasi kami namang mga batang 90s, we were just influenced by Nirvana and Pearl Jam and Red Hot Chili Peppers and the Eraserheads. And so, bakit nagkataon lang na iba yung influensya nila pero just because iba yung trip nila doesn't make
Yeah.
Ba't ka
Yes.
nagagalit? Parang ganun.
Proud ako na may katulad nila na binibigyan ng pagkakataon na makita what is the Filipino music for international market.
Anong tingin mo ang chance nila na mag-world domination?
Pwede. It's a matter of finding the right song.
What do you think of their songwriting skills?
Well, meron sila. They can really write song.
Open ka ba makikollaborate with them?
Actually, nagre-reach out ako sa kanila.
Oo,
Meron akong
talaga?
taong pinapahanap. Actually, they do the cover of the song Bakit Ba Ikaw by Michael Pangilinan.
Kayo pa ngayon?
Yes, I wrote the song and kinover nila.
SB19 yan? Ang tingin niya sa cover nila?
Okay naman, maganda sila. Ako kasi pag nakikita ko kailangan out of the box eh. Huwag tayong kumbaga huwag the same banana, kumbaga lasa. Gusto ko yung ginagawa nila, nag-i-invent sila ng ibang klaseng title para medyo silang identity. And I'm happy na nire-reinvent nila yung sarili nila being an artist. Tuloy nyo lang yan, huwag kayong hihinto kasi yan ang magbibigay sa atin ng recognition sa international market.
As a matter of fact, I didn't I don't know if you watched, but when Stel sang, phenomenal. It's like, whoa, parang ako nasa Coliseum about parang 100,000 people watching.
Kanina may nag-interview sa akin and somebody said, is there any song out there today that you wish you wrote? It's that song.
Kento?
Hindi ka. Galing. Ang galing. Talagang narinig ko. Sabi ko, is this SB19? Yes. Wow. I have such high regard for SB19. And with that song, Gento, parang akala ko, they hit their peak na eh. Tapos ito na yung Gento na wow. And everybody's doing it. And it's parang hindi mo sila you cannot blame them because it's really it's a good song. It's a catchy song. Sana nga they take this internationally and they just present it as is because it can make it.
I would consider them to be the number one P-pop group in the Philippines. Are you familiar with a group known as SB19? Are you proud of SB19?
Sino yung yung merong guhit dito sa kilay? May sinulat siyang kanta no nakaraan na narinig ko tungkol sa pagbiyahe. Si Pablo? Pablo ba? Tama ba ako? Yung round yung face na mahaba buhok. Minsan nakapalda siya. Oo. Si Pablo nga, meron siyang sinulat tungkol sa oo, sa biyahe. Ang ganda ng melody. Gusto ko. Ano nga yung title lang? EDSA, oo. Mahilig ako sa mga ganong type ng Ang ganda. Ganda ng song yan na yun.
SB19. Sila ang nagsimula ng mahumuhunan sa mahabang training under a Korean training program. Sila rin ang unang grupo na nagkaroon ng malakihang fandom, kaya sumikat ang P-pop. So saludo kami sa SB19 dahil sa ginawa niyong being the trailblazers sa larangan ng idol group sa Pilipinas.
Sa upcoming show po, aside from Sir Randy, Miss Jessa, and Jade, why did you choose Pablo as one of your special guests?
Oh, that's an easy question. Pablo is a favorite of mine. He's my bias. Alam ng mga Gen Z ano yung bias. He said, sa SB19, siyang pinaka-favorite ko. Although lahat gusto ko sila and I'm a fan of SB19. But when I found out that it was Pablo who was writing their music, I immediately gravitated towards him. But I like all of them. I like Stel, I like Ken, I like Justin, Josh. Collectively, I'm so impressed with them.
Nandit mo kayo ng show nila?
No, nakapanood ako. Pati miski na yung sa US, nakapanood kami nila Jessa, nila Jada. But ever since I gave them that, I was the one who awarded dun sa Wish Awards, the first one. That's when the first time I ran across them. I was already impressed by them. And then I did my research. And that's when I talagang started becoming a fan. And that's why no-brainer na si Pablo mag-guest ko. And it's really, for me, a great addition para sa concert ko na makasama ang isang P-pop legend katulad ni Pablo. Yeah.
What can you say about SB19?
SB19, they're very successful, and they're one of the very few people I can say that really truly believe the success that they're enjoying now. And I think they took them a while, but hard work, dedication, prayer, believing in their craft. They're a perfect example of what the Filipino spirit is all about. Different talents, different sounds, a great mix of talent. I am a true believer, SB19.
Hindi natin magagalit sa akin. I love SB19. I really love SB19.
Akala ko 17, 19 pala.
Ikaw, Dave. Nagano sa SB19. The two, of course, yung mga litaws, Pablo and Stel. Si Pablo, I believe, has the heart of a rocker. I believe. And still, everybody knows he's...
What is a star? Ano ba yung star? Star is someone who can capture your imagination, drive you crazy, and who can separate your well-earned money from you. That's a star. Pag hindi ka babayad ka, para sa star. A star dictates how much you pay, and pay you will. Kat Bernardo, Alden Richards, SB19, BTS 17.
And that's why so many OPM legends continue to admire and support SB19 as they inspire a new generation of Filipino artists around the world. What do you think about these amazing comments from OPM icons? And which collaboration would you love to see happen next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more inspiring OPM updates and SB19 content. See you in the next video.